In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Taobao app language from Chinese to English. If you've just installed the Taobao app and everything is in Chinese, don't worry. I'll guide you through the exact screens to switch the interface to English or to the international version so menus and buttons are easier to understand. Start by opening the Taobao app and make sure you're logged in. Being signed in helps the app save your preferences so the language sticks the next time you open it. From the home screen, look to the bottom right and tap My Taobao, labeled Wo de Taobao. This takes you to your profile area where all the personal settings live. At the top right of this page, tap the settings icon. It might appear as a small gear or three dots and is labeled Shiji on some versions. If you don't see a word, the gear symbol is your cue that you're in the right place. Inside settings, find and select General Settings written as Tongyang. This section groups together core app options including display and language. Next, tap Language, which appears as Yuyan. This opens the list of available interface languages for your app build. Now choose the option that best fits what you want. Many users will see English, shown as Ying1. Some versions show an international version or global international mode, labeled Guojiban. Pick the English option if it's there. If you see international version instead, select that to switch the interface to the global layout. Either choice will change the app's navigation to English-style labels, though product titles and seller descriptions may remain in Chinese because they're provided by merchants. To complete the change, restart the app so the new language fully applies. Fully close Taobao from your recent apps, then reopen it. When it loads, you should notice English or the international interface across the home screen, menus, and most settings. If anything still looks unchanged, return to language and confirm your selection saved, then relaunch once more. The setting can take a moment to propagate across all pages. One quick note before we wrap up. Icon designs can vary slightly between iOS and Android, but the positions are consistent. My Taobao at the bottom right, settings in the top right, and language under general settings. Those Chinese labels I mentioned act as reliable visual anchors while you navigate. And that's it. You opened Taobao, went to My Taobao, entered settings, chose general settings, selected language, picked English or the international version, and restarted the app to apply the update.